Hi everyone. Today we're going to be making apple rum raisin bread pudding. What all do we need for apple rum raisin bread pudding? 2/3 cup raisin, 2 tablespoons spiced rum, 2 cups whole milk, 4 large eggs, 1 cup sugar, 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted and slightly cooled, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, 4 cups packed brioche pieces cut into 3/4 inch cubes. I didn't have any of that, but I did have a loaf of Italian, so I'm going to be using that. And 1 large tart apple, like a Granny Smith. Obviously, this is not a Granny Smith. This is some form of delicious. I was given a whole bag of these little apples, so I'll be using about 3 or 4 of them. Anything that will be equivalent to 1 large tart apple. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take 11 by 7 glass pan, coat it with cooking spray. I've already sprayed mine and then set it aside. All right, so I took my 2/3 cup raisins and my 2 tablespoons of spiced rum and dumped that over that. I forgot to record that. Then put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. So the raisins and the rum came out of the microwave. Let it soak while we finish up with all the other ingredients. Set that aside. So take a large bowl, dump in your 2 cups of milk, your 4 eggs, melted butter, make sure it is cool slightly, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, the 1 cup of sugar, and whisk that all together. I'll get that all whisked and I'll be right back. So it is all whisked up nice and neat. Dump in your 4 cups of cubed breadcrumbs, your 1 tart apple. Mine was 4 of those small ones that are delicious. And you want to core them, peel them, and cut them into pieces. And then the 2/3 cup raisin and the 2 tablespoons of the spiced rum, and fold that all together. Then dump that into the prepared pan. Spread it out. Flatten it down. And try to make sure that the apples and the raisins are spread out evenly. Then let it soak for 15 minutes. So the bread pudding has soaked for 15 minutes. Put it in a 350-degree oven for 55 to 65 minutes until the top is golden and the custard is set. So here is the apple rum raisin bread pudding fresh out of the oven. It cooked for 60 minutes. I'll let it cool for a few minutes before we dish it up. So here is the apple rum raisin bread pudding. I'll get my husband to do a taste test.
And what is this?
Apple rum raisin bread pudding.
Okay, looks good. This would even be good for breakfast. I bet it would be good if you warmed it up and put some vanilla ice cream on it too.
Yeah, I would. I'll have to try that next time. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.